Hello, I'm Dr. Kimberly Leupold, owner of Holistic Healthcare Center and doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. Since this past year, with all the e-learning and working from home, we have seen an influx of patients with wrist pain, carpal tunnel pain, trigger finger, anything to do with sitting at the computer and typing all the time, neck pain, and so forth. So today I'd like to show you what an example of a carpal tunnel / wrist pain, anything to kind of do with this area of pain treatment would look like. I'm not going to show you all the body points, all the points on the other parts of your body, but I will show you what it would look like on your hand up into your elbow. So obviously never do this yourself or to yourself. This is just an example of what an acupuncture treatment for wrist pain, hand pain, even tennis elbow might look like. And again, just showing the points on the wrist, the hand, and the arm. So typically we would start off with pericardium 4, and we would kind of be right anatomically correct, but also we're trying to find the space between the tendons right here to elicit a response in the hand. So I would needle right in here. There we go. It's a little different when I do it on myself. And in that, I feel a little bit of a sting. That's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get what's called dachi. I don't want a nerve sensation. I'm not trying to hit a nerve or anything, but I'm trying to hit what's called dachi, the energy right there that will start to spread and elicit healing. In Chinese medicine, things like wrist pain from overwork on a computer, that's considered typically stagnation, sometimes a deficiency, but typically stagnation, and we've got to spread that qi. We've got to move that energy. So this would be retained into my arm if I was the patient receiving it, but I'm going to go ahead and take it out at this point. Next, I would do acupuncture points. They're called extra points between the fingers, depending on where the pain is and depending on exactly which hand or wrist condition is being treated. Now, these look a lot more painful than they are. It's actually not painful. I'm going to just do one to give an example. So right in here. There you go. Actually, I'll go ahead and do all of them so you can see the finished product. Okay, so these points would be in there, and there would likely be a point right on it's called the Sanjiao meridian, right up here. There's one more. I prefer Sanjiao 5. I'm going by, I can't really measure the best, so I'm going by anatomical structures. And then I would probably use Sanjiao 10, and all of this helps spread the qi, spread the energy throughout the arm, the forearm, the wrist, and the fingers. There'd be body points as well to accompany this treatment, as with Chinese medicine, we use all of the meridians of the body, the whole flow of the body. But this is an example of what you could expect if you were coming in for carpal tunnel, wrist pain, hand pain, trigger finger, that sort of thing. We would be using some local points in this area.